So I actually chose 2012 Volkswagen GTI. Check this out. Heated side mirrors, keyless entry, inside leather seats, fine with the GTI in the headrest. I got the 6-speed manual. Ooh, can't be showing those mods too quick. See it's starting to come through. Screws with fine threads. I'll get this last one in here and then we'll apply our plate and see what it looks like. And that's the finished product. Looking pretty clean. Showing up to the spot now. So I got the ceramic. So from outside it's dark, but from the inside, look out and it looks like normal. Yo, so now the tint is done. The car is looking better. Look at it from the side. It looks so good. And that is how you change your oil pressure sensor on your Mk6 GTI. Just pull it off. You're gonna take your resistor piece and you're gonna just feed it into that hole as well. Pull back your plastic just a bit. And now it has a little tab on the front end, and that's gonna go in. You see this little tab here on the front end? That's gonna go in first, and then the back side goes in. Take the plastic off, and that's the front end. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Done. Super bright, super clean. Let's come to the other side. Much better. Then you're gonna take your resistor, just like with the side marker bulbs. You're gonna put it up in there. Then you're gonna grab your actual piece. You're gonna push all your wires up. You're gonna take this side, sit that in there first, and then pop it into place. Now let's take a look and see what it looks like from down below. Wow, it might be hard to tell from the video, but there's a huge difference in the brightness from this LED to this LED. The other side, and we'll be all done. Both sides have been changed. Sheesh, is even putting light down on the ground behind it. And just like that, GTI is all done. We got the license plate lights in there. You can see the turbo there. Now I just got to put the new gasket on there and throw my downpipe on. Looking up there, I've tightened all those bolts down. Start it up, let's hear it. Listen to that idle. That sound good. My car is broke. I'm gonna try to pull it out. You can see that the silver piece is actually out. So let's try to pull it out of there. Nice and secure. And then I'm gonna take this hose and this is gonna go back onto there. Now that the bumper's off, I'm actually going to unplug fog lights. So as you can see, looks way better, much more clean. Just you wait, we got a surprise going on right there. Pray for your boy, pray for him, pray for his clutch. I should say, is it reminiscent of a golf cart? Nah, I mean, engagement point is high. Are you giving it gas right now too?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let out the clutch. Let out the clutch.
Just
there
all the
go.
way?
Yeah.
Oh,
and now you're in first gear. Yo, shawty got it first time. Let's go! So clutch in.
Oh, I stalled.
Yeah. So now we're just cracking open a new bulb here. So once you put your bulb in there, what you're gonna do is turn the light on and see if it comes on. If it doesn't, that means it needs to come out, turned over 180 degrees, and put back in. And after you flipped it over, you push it in. Perfect. So that's what it on, that's what it off. So that's what it on, that's what it off. So that's what it on, that's what it off. And then back on. It's pretty clean. You can see it sort of has this little lip that shoots up there. Looks pretty good. To be 100% honest, I couldn't be more happier. Honestly, doesn't look half bad. Honestly, more than anything, this thing needs a wash. Look at that thing, boy. That thing is dusty. Boy, that's so clean. And just like that, both cars are done. The GTI, Black Beast, Civic with the black bell, yo, beauty, and the Beast. It's a great way to honestly just switch your car up, make it look different. And honestly, you can change this every single year. You just pay for the different plate, and you can make your car just seem that much different compared to everyone else. South bend, look like it has a little bit of scuffs on it right here, but I got that there. Got the clutch alignment tool. Honestly, when you're in there doing the clutch, you might as well do this because you're already in there. So take this out, put this new one in, and not have to worry about any rear main seal leaks. ECS tuning, clutch bleeder block. Man, I'm so excited to put this in there. It's supposed to allow the pedal to be much stiffer. In addition to that, we have the ECS tuning stainless steel clutch line that's gonna go in there as well. You already know, stage 2 south bend clutch in it, ready to roll. Sounds good, not a lot of chatter either. Actually feels pretty good. And just like that, gang, sway bar link is out. All right, so right here we have the new one. Wrench on the inside, holding it in still, and then tighten it down. Change ECU map. And now it's going to read the system and identify the ECU. Installing a carbonyl intake from APR. I cannot wait to do this. This is all carbon fiber intake and it's going to sound sweet. And that's off and set that off to the side. Like that, you leave this little yellow O-ring on there. Clipped in, all tightened up. Let's get the wheel on. We're gonna roll out. Okay, boost is definitely coming on a lot quicker. And all you gotta do is just push it back and it's off of there. Straight as you can. At the 0.024, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of these spark plugs back into here. Now, snug all of these down, all 4 of these bolts. I would say it gives you just so much more confidence when you're turning. It's honestly unreal. It could be scary at sometimes. It's an old one, but this thing is like lightweight. This thing's solid. Right, so now we gotta slide this bad boy into place. All right, so we all together now. Right here, I actually went on the stiffer setting. So this right here will be the looser setting. This is the stiffer setting right here. Now we gotta take this thing out of the shop, see what it's looking like. All right, gang, just real quick update. This thing is feeling real mint right now. As this guy right here goes in, it's supposed to stop wheel hop, make the car accelerate a little bit quicker for that 0 to 60 times, especially once you get some sticky tires popping. Anyways, let's jump over to the car. I already got it jacked up. We're gonna get underneath it and let's get busy. Perfect. There you go, GTI build, it's done. It's off to the next new owner.
Yeah, okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, catch.
All right, gang, so I'm working on editing up this video right now, and bro, it's bringing back so many nostalgia feelings. Like, yo, we went a long ways. Like, we came a long ways with the GTI. I hope you guys are excited to see what we about to do with this F36 440 BMW, because you know it's about to get crazy. And you guys are going to want to see what I got going on because I don't think you guys are going to see what's coming. So make sure you holla at this video. Make sure you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you holla at it. Bro, Thinking about this GTI is bringing back those feelings. It's like, yo, if the channel gets large enough, I might have to cop another one and do another build, but maybe we go all out next time, right? Like crazy all out. Maybe we go Golf R or something like that and go even crazier. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you definitely want to see something like that in the future. And you can't wait to see what we got going on with the Beam, because I got to take it to another level. There's so many people out here with these BMWs. I got to take it to another level. You already know how we do on this channel. If you saw this video, you already know what's popping. So I can't wait to see you in the next video. Hit that like button, the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Oh, yeah. And thank you. You know what I'm saying? We over 1,000 subscribers at this point. You already know what's going on. Let's aim for 10,000 next. 10,000. Let's get it going. Make sure to subscribe. Let's go.
Just get enough, I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on